Hello, in this blog you will can understand and comparison about lie and dislike in the different sport activities, okay? First, you find the planning template in where you see the communicative goal, proposal of a war up, a brief introduction, some activities to practice the vocabulary, a production, and finally a proposal for assessment. Therefore, wait a moment, in the Word app, you will match correctly some pictures with its respective sentences. And to help you can see the introduction of this blog because they explain the correct use of expression of your likes and dislikes. Wait a moment. Then it will have an activities for practice vocabulary. Therefore, there are word share, activity of listen a dialogue, and answer some question about the video. Two, you will find assessment and will consist in that you will write in a forum about some experiences on the like and dislike of the sport activities, and finally you click on the button and automatically you will can practice in this forum. Okay.